What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. Today I'm working on my Lexus GS350 F-Sport. I'm going to be changing out the pads. I just went back to my factory rims here for the winter, and when I changed out my wheels I noticed that my front pads here were a little worn, so I wanted to change them out. So I picked up a set of these Akebono ACT1118. A lot of good reviews on them, so I figured I'll give them a try. I'll link the description below. Picked up on Amazon for about $65. So these things are very simple. I mean, it's literally like a 5-minute job. I'm going to put the camera down and I'll show you exactly on how to do it. So right here we got a cotter pin. You just pull that pin right out, as you can see. Drop that. And we got the slide pin here. If you put enough tension on it, you could probably pull it out. And there it is. So now to compress the piston, there's dual piston. Let me see if I can get that right there. So there's dual piston calipers. Right, so you got 2 on each side. And you can see here from the back side, these things are pretty worn. To compress this, very simple as well. Put you down here for a second. What I typically do, grab a pair of channel locks. If you don't want to mar up your caliper, just put a rag on there and literally just squeeze. That's it. One side is done. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. What I typically do, I'll stick a screwdriver on this side just to prevent the other pistons from working themselves back out. That's about it, guys. So as you can see now, they're completely backed in. And put that down for a second. And the pad just comes right out, as you can see. So another thing I just noticed too is whoever put these in, see, this is a wear marker right here. So you'll start getting like a screeching noise when your pad is worn out. You're supposed to have one on each side. And whoever did this last, as you can see, you got both wear markers on the driver's side here. So whoever did it last did it wrong. One of these is supposed to be on the other side, and I actually did the other side already. That's why I knew there was something wrong. It's supposed to look like this. No wear marker on this side and a wear marker on this side. So now all you gotta do is literally put some grease over here, some anti-seize, right? The wear indicator usually goes on the inside, slides right in, slides right in. Oh, I may have to compress that just here. Yeah, hold on one second. Oh. Hold on a second, guys. All right, hold on. I just squeezed it a little harder. There you go. Now it just slides right in. So as you can see, there we go. Let that focus. Very simple. So all we got to do now, put the spring on, put the slide pin back in, and put the cotter pin on. And that's it, guys. Pretty easy. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put some anti-seize, like I said, on the inside there. But I mean, it shouldn't take more than like 10 minutes aside, to be honest with you. That's including removing the wheel, putting it back together. Very simple. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Catch you next time.